useful.
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the tutorial of my last edit, and this was very trending. So let's see the preview. So do you want this? So let's start. First, go to Pinterest and search for your character's full body picture and download your character's full body picture. My character is already ready, so I did not download. Now, go to Inshot and click New. When I click Photo and click New, now found your character's full body picture. Go to background, select transparent, and then go to cut out and remove your character's background. So the background should be transparent. Now go to adjust, go to curve and repeat after me. You can add a question mark like me. You can add your favorite font. Now export it. Now go to video and click new. Now import your background. Now make the video longer as you want. Now go to PIP and now repeat after me. Select your character. Remove background, adjust, type your text, select font and color, adjust it, okay, so now click play, please select your mistress character. Now repeat after me. Okay, so now you can add two more characters and repeat the same thing. Now let's get some information about your character. Repeat after me. Write any information about your character and do the same thing with your mistress like before. Gravity is done. Import your pictures and repeat after me, and here you go. Your edit is completely ready. Import your audio also. And that's all. Now you can export your clip, but you can add any details you want. Example, your watermark. So I'm adding my watermark here. So now, the best to give me. So
Bye bye.